Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting immediately. Confirm your wheel is Xbox 360 compatible and update firmware if prompted. Attach the wheel to the table using clamps. Tighten until the base doesn't shift. Stability matters for inputs. Plug the pedal connector into the wheelbase, then connect the wheel to power or insert batteries. Once done, route the USB cable from the wheel to your Xbox 360, making sure cables aren't pinched. Good cable management prevents signal dropouts and keeps pedals free to move. With the console on and your profile selected, plug the wheel's USB into the Xbox 360. The console will detect and install drivers automatically. Power on the wheel. Watch for LED indicators that show connection status. Navigate to the game or console controller settings and run calibration. Steer full left and right, press pedals, and set dead zones. Calibration aligns physical range with in-game steering, so make sure every control registers smoothly before you start racing. Now test the wheel in a practice session to fine-tune sensitivity and force feedback. Lower values for casual play, higher for precision. If any control is unresponsive, first reseat the USB and power connections, then replace batteries or verify the adapter's voltage. Intermittent power causes odd behavior. If problems persist, perform a firmware reset or soft update per the wheel manual to clear settings. One key tip: swap the USB port on the console to rule out a faulty port.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.